If you're facing the same error in your XAMPP setup, then don't worry. Today I will fix it and we will not get the same error the next time. So first of all, open your C folder. Let's go to C folder. Now go to XAMPP. Now in the XAMPP folder, now go to MySQL folder. Now copy the data folder. Paste it in the same folder. And now change the name of copied folder. I will change the name. Now open your data folder. In your data folder, you have to select MySQL, performance schema, PHP admin, and test folder, and delete this one by clicking the delete button. Now select all of these files under these folders and don't select this file ibdata1, and now click on delete button to delete the files. Now go back and click on backup. After clicking on backup, just select all of these files by clicking Ctrl A button and don't select ibdata1 file. Now copy these files. Now again go to MySQL. Now go to data. Now paste the all files that you copied from the other folder. Now I will paste my all files here. Okay, now just click on start button to start my SQL server. Now you can see our SQL server is starting and the error is not came again. So thanks for watching.